Good morning, good morning. So I don't know. I just woke up, as you can see, and my sister was telling me that my eye is red, and now I'm just seeing it like, why is this eye red than this? I'm not sure what's going on with my body right now. But anyways, good morning. This video is just to talk about like my point of view on interracial marriages. As you guys can see, I'm not wearing my ring. Stay tuned to find out why. Alright, so anyways, I just like quickly got up and took off my bonnet and turn off the fan. I'm sorry, I'm one of those people that have to sleep with the fan on, no matter how cold it is. And it gets very cold here. Like, I'm wearing socks, long pants to go to bed cold because it's cold. But anyways, I'm going to try, like, watching my videos, I realize one, I say a lot of and. So in doing my videos, one thing I'm going to try to do is just like train myself to speak properly a little more. See, that's the growing up, I never really needed to until I went to university and people were saying you speak really bad because university you're going amongst like all different types and classes of people. That again. But I'm trying my best. So when I'm speaking, I use the I guess, to like gap my thoughts. Like it's not flowing. It's just like there is a gap to my thoughts, like while I gather everything together. But I'm trying my best. It's and the and. I'm trying my best. Anyway, guys, let's get back to the topic. Point of view on internet, and this is going to not be like the full, it's just something that crossed my mind because why not? And I'm trying to be more open and shareable because I've realized when I share more, that kind of like help people to get to know us and me more, so it makes them feel more to like be a part of our journey. So that's what I'm trying to do. But as we regards the point of view of our interracial marriages, so it's a lot of people think it's hard, which I feel like any marriage that you're in can be hard, whether it's interracial, non-interracial, or whatever you guys call marriages, or whatever marriages are classified as these days. The again. But anyways, for me, it's the interracial, and I really don't have much difficulties as it regards to like our marriages and how we flow. People probably think we do. People think we probably have a lot of differences, and we really don't. So funny enough, I think I'm not going to say we're the perfect match, because we're still growing and learning about each other every single day. Like, we got married fairly youngish, I want to say, and we still are getting to know each other. The first few years of our marriage, we really did a lot. Like, we traveled, we explored, we found out who each other were. We did all those good stuff. And then we had a baby, and a baby came in the mix and kind of like changed up stuff a little. So for people that says that baby don't really change things, for some it's true and for some not really, because it definitely brought out different sides for both of us. Not in a bad way, but we're just like different people as parents. And when I say different, I don't mean different in the sense of, oh, it's a bad difference. It's just we grow to that part of us now. Like we're growing into parents, we're going into mothers and dads, and trying to figure out what's best for our family, and trying to build a family, trying to build, our son, and just like growing in that aspect. Like everything that we think about, we think, how will this affect our son, how will this affect us? So yeah, we just are taking into consideration more things, whereas when a couple years ago we just did whatever, we just did whatever, we kind of live freely, and that was that. So as it regards like our marriage on a whole, I never really had much issues, and I'm only not wearing my ring because I've been on this like health journey for like probably 2 years now. And I've been like losing weight. I must say, I've been losing weight. So the ring doesn't fit much anymore. Wait, I got a message. Give me 1 second. Sorry, I forgot where I was. I think I was talking about my marriage. So as it regards to, yeah, I've been on a fitness journey, so I've been losing weight consistently. So my ring, I don't wear it unless like I'm going out because it keeps falling off, and I like do like my son's hair when I'm doing his hair, it just like slips like that. And when I'm like brushing my teeth, it will just, and my hands is done, it will just like go into the sink, and our sink has this little thing in it. So if it goes down there, it's gone forever. Bye bye, ring. So I just like wear it until, I've been saying that we want to get married again. So until he probably repropose and I get a new ring, I just wear it for like if I'm going out, etc. But other than that, yeah, the marriage isn't anything. Like every marriage you're going to have difficulties, every marriages you have to compromise, whether marriages are not, as long as you're in a relationship where you consider or respect the other person, or you guys decide you're going to live a life together, it comes with somewhat of a compromise, even though if you're not willing to give up everything. It comes with just trying to understand that person, because everyone grows up different, everyone have different beliefs, everyone have different backgrounds, and it's just understanding that person and respecting them, because you don't want to shine too much where you're dimming one person light, and then that person don't want to shine too much where they're dimming, because at that moment you're then suffocating in the relationship. One person is being left out. You don't want that to happen in your relationship. So that's where I think the compromise comes in, just trying to make sure both parties get heard, are being heard, making sure that both parties feel equal and loved and everything that they want to be a part of this relationship. The cultural differences for us is not too much. Like, yes, I learned a lot about his culture, like things when I was like growing up, and I saw, which some people still are. So, if it doesn't go like that, people have a saying, if it doesn't go like that, it almost goes like that. So with the cultural differences, certain things we have to learn, but he is very much curious about mine. He loves everything Jamaica. Minus the violence, of course, if there is any right now, I'm not sure. But he loves everything Jamaica. He loves the food. He loves the beaches. The tourist stuff, but everything Jamaica. He loves the music. Even my son loves the music. Like, anytime he's crashing out, I'm using the slangs. Anytime he's crashing out, we just like play a Jamaican music, and he's calm for the most part. So yeah, he loves most things Jamaican. He loves to go to Jamaica. He loves everything about my culture, my background, the food. So with him, I do love his family and his background, and everything that like I've been experiencing with him on his side. With me, I feel like I kind of like divulge, like I am more on like typically for I don't know, but like for everyone on my family side, they're mostly together, and then I'm the like, oh, I feel like I'm the odd sheep out because I'm so far away, but I'm far from my family and mostly with his family. And so I'm getting most of his family culture. My sister is here with me too, but she's like, oh, sometimes she's like, oh, you're changing and stuff like that. And I don't want to like change too much. I still want to have like some Jamaican in me. So sometimes I'm like, do I go back to where my family is to like remind me of my roots? You know, sometimes we just want to be grounded and just remember certain little things that are just like slipping away. But yeah, other than the fact that I am like mostly with his family and mostly here, and I do miss my family sometimes. Other than that, it's been good. Like I like the difference. I like that there's something new. I don't know. I don't know. I just like this experience. I think that's a good way to say it. I like the experience because it's just something different and it's just something nice and refreshing. So it's fine with me. I don't have a preference. I'm not a preference person. I deal mostly with the type of person you are. If you're a nice person, if you're kind, you know, the type of person you are. I don't do anything with, oh, I have a type of that sort. I don't think I have a type. I don't know. Probably I do. Probably I didn't. I don't know. But for the most part, ever since growing up, I know that my biggest thing was just making sure whoever I talk to is a nice person. Like they're just like kind and nice, etc. But yeah, that's my little rant on my point of view of like interracial marriages. Comment down below our interracial couples or just like even marriages on a whole. Because again, you can be with the same race and the same person, but because you guys grow up with different backgrounds, things are a little different, you know. So it doesn't even have to be because this person is white, this person is black, this person is Indian, this person is, you know, it doesn't have to be that way. It could simply just be because you guys just grew up differently. You guys grew up in different state. You guys grew up in different parts of the world. You know, anything. I'm trying to not say the but. Yeah, so that's my point of view again. And comment down below what you think. What you think are some challenges that we should be facing? What do you think are some unanswered question? We'll try to like address them. Let us know what you think, and thank you for watching. We'll see you guys in another video. Bye.